Prepare electric drill, screwdriver and marker pen in advance. Choose a site that is far away from the driver's seat. Select a suitable VESA wall mounting bracket according to the size and weight of TV. Read the bracket instructions. Install the wall portion of the bracket onto the wall by punching holes. And install the TV portion of the bracket onto the back of the TV. Connect the power cord and ensure the connection is secure. Hang the TV on the bracket and lock it. Turn on power, connect Wi-Fi, and perform power on settings. Adjust the angle, brightness and sound of the TV to achieve the best viewing experience. Conduct regular cleaning and inspection.